Okay, in this video, we're going to learn another math technique, and this is going to involve getting a cube root. Now, this method only works with perfect cubes, and so your answer can't be a decimal. Now, before we go ahead and solve some problems, as a reference, we know 1 cubed, 1 times 1 times 1 is 1, 2 cubed is 8, 3 cubed is 27, and then so on. I stopped at 10. Now you'll see a pattern. 1 cubed is 1, 4 cubed is 64, 5 cubed is 125. You see that it ends in a 5, 6 cubed is 6, 9 cubed 9, 10 cubed we get a 0 at the end. Now there's a few that you have to remember. 2 cubed is 8, 3 cubed is 27, 7 cubed we have 343, 8 cubed is 512. With this method we care about the ones place. So 2 cubed gives you an 8, 3 cubed gives you a 7 at the end, 7 cubed gives you a 3 at the end, 8 cubed gives you a 2 at the end, and I'm going to show you why knowing this will be very helpful with this strategy. So with this method, I have 5, 7, 1, 7, 8, 7. And always after the third number going this side, we put a little line. Now, I see I have a 7. There's only one type of number that I cube it that will give me a 7, and that's going to be a 3. So this 3 is going to be very important. Now, with this piece, we have 571. What we do is we think what two perfect cubes gives you close to 571. It's either going to be 8 cubed or 9 cubed. When we always choose a smaller one. So we're going to choose 8. And so our final answer is going to be 83. And you can prove it to yourself. Do the cube root of this big number, you're going to get 83. Now again, I really want to highlight one very important point. This method only works with perfect cubes. So for example, if it was 5, 7, 1, 7, 8, 9 for example, this method wouldn't work. You wouldn't be able to get the answer because your answer will have some decimal. But for example, if they tell you you have a perfect cube, this method will work. We're going to do 2 more problems. This will be our second one. So we have 2, 9, 7, 9, 1. Draw a vertical line here. We focus on this piece. It ends in a 1. There's only one scenario that ends in a 1, and that's going to be a 1. So 1 is going to be very important. And now we have 29. And 29 is in between 27 and 64. And we always choose the smaller one. So at 27. And that involves 3. So that's going to be a 3. That's the important piece. And so our final answer is 31. Again, use a calculator. Type the cube root of this big number. You're going to get 31. And our last one. 3, 3, 7, 5. Always a vertical line here, and this number ends in a 5, so we take a 5 because of this piece right here. And now we have a 3. The 3 is either between 1 and 8. We choose a smaller one, so 1. And so our final answer is 15. Again, prove it to yourself using a calculator. And as a challenge, comment below why this method works. Now, if you don't know exactly why this method works, but you have some sort of observation or a hypothesis, go ahead and comment below. And that's pretty much it for this video.